happy up like nothing, and this is my really happiest moment for my hard work. I've got the IBR golden box, and also so you'll be thinking now, how did I get this whole achievers pack? Like I said in a minute, I said 100 countries, but it's 112 dance forms, and that was my first hard work among the whole year. And two, I never thought I would get this, and I never thought I would get confirmed on this NL, but suddenly that confirmation mail came, which made me so happy now. And two, I never ever thought that I would get this whole box. It's a little bit heavy, and I really think what's in it, and I just want to open it. So I'm nearly done opening it. Oh, now got it now. Got my record, and also it is a bit little heavy, which kind of 2 to 3 to 4 kgs. And also I made a record in the India Book of Records. I broke one record too. Now I can't wait anymore, and I can't even say anything. Let's open. Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3. Oh, and the first thing I saw here is the Indian medal of my record. Let me just start with this. Wow, I have got the India Book of Records Indian medal, my favorite. I'm gonna try that. Oh, kind of peppery. And this is the India Book of Records badge. I am really happy like nothing, because it's really my first time seeing all these things and being a part of an India. And Indian badge. It's really hard. Okay, and how do you just wear it? Wow. This is a car sticker, and I'm gonna give this sticker to my dad so that he can stick it up on his car. Okay, let me just open it. Oh no, this is seriously a very big book. It's India Book of Records 2021 book. Extraordinary people, extra talented. It's so heavy, and I can also see all of the records by everyone in the India Book of Records by the year 2021. Really amazing. Now let's go to the next. Indian pen. It looks seriously so well designed with its black and golden color. Let me try opening. Wow. It's really good black color pen. And I won't use it simply like that, but I use for many things, which is just really fun. And I've got the India Book of Records Holder 2021 card. The Indian card, which maximum countries and their national dance forms recited by a child. Then my Indian card for the first time. And the last thing at all over here in my achievers bag, my certificate of achievement. I really say again that I never thought I would get it. First of all, when my parents said that I can do it, I can try, I kind of tried to do it, and now my hard work just got into a really big happiness of my whole life here. And I don't know really what to say now, because my mind is usually full of tears of happiness. And I'm gonna really laminate all of these and make it a really good thing upon my home. Let me kind of read this. Maximum countries and their national dance forms recited by a child. The record for reciting the maximum number of countries and their national dance forms was set by Sriya Ramesh, born on September 11, 2010, of Kankol, Kerala, currently residing in UAE. She recited the names of 100 countries and their dance form in just 1 minute at the age of 10 months and 1 day, as confirmed on July 12. Mine? Just don't know what to say, but so happy because of this. And this golden pack is all because also of my parents' work. They gave me all hard work and all support of the thing which I can do. They helped me do many things, and they also gave me of the things which I have do. And also, this is not my end of a record. I am gonna do more record and will be coming up with more videos of it. And because of this, I never thought I could get this. So my hard work had got really full work. So I'm gonna go more. I am now gonna continue up until I'm recognized by the world.